Welcome to Stray Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. We are in Mumbai today, not to talk to the women but to talk to the men about an issue that we really need for them to throw some light on. What is that topic? Sexism. What do you think is sexism?
What is sexism?
Yes.
From a guy's point of view or from a girl's point of view?
From a scientific point, whatever point of view you like.
You can say it is a natural process, that's it, to develop or to give a birth to someone else. Say inner beauty, girl with knowledge, presentable, not in a that kind of sexism.
Sunny.
Sunny Leone.
Sunny Deol.
Sunny Leone. What do you think has to do with Sunny Leone?
Everything.
What did you just
Everything.
do? It's not what you guys think it is.
Okay.
So sexism basically we're talking.
Believing that a particular sex cannot do certain things or is morally challenged because of their gender.
डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन गर्ल एंड गाय.
जब आप कंपेयर करते हो लड़कों को लड़कियों से, वो जो डिफरेंसेस हम क्रिएट करते हैं उसको एक सेक्सिज्म बोल सकते हैं.
आई एम अ गाय, लाइक आई कैन डू दिस थिंग बेटर देन गर्ल्स, सो आई थिंक दैट इज सेक्सिस्ट.
It has nothing to do with Sunny Leone.
5 मिनट पहले हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि राहुल सोच अगर हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड होती घर के बाहर आती, योगी में बाहर खड़ी हो बाइक लेके प्लीज जल्दी आ जाओ, सोच एक्टिवा के पीछे बैठ के वाह पूरी मुंबई देख रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं,
Mentality of girl is like
हमको जाना पड़ता है, हेलो कहाँ हो, मैं घर के नीचे आ जाऊँ, घर के नीचे आएंगी बैठेंगी पूरा घुमाओ.
Are you slightly sexist?
no, I am not a sexist.
No, definitely not. There are few exceptions. Some of us are sitting right here.
Obviously, everybody will think that they aren't sexist.
Respect women, but then again, there are some points where they just argue for the sake of it,
Okay.
and that gets on the nerve.
Have you ever heard of any sexist joke or any stereotypical statement that men make?
Yeah, there are always those tones like, where we say that girls get more favored.
In an interview, someone would say वो एक बटन खोल के पास हो जाएगी.
Women prefer vodka.
And men drink whiskey.
I just heard that women are bad drivers, that's it.
And do you believe that?
I don't know, I don't drive, I don't.
Do you think that women take sexism a little too seriously?
Always.
यस आई थिंक.
If you see today's undertones in the society, yes, women do get offended very quickly. Like I'm not taunting that person, but if you say anything, like a factual thing, they will say, yeah, he's a male chauvinist or something like that.
My point is, it's not that respect women. You should respect women, but just don't lick their asses at times. Don't agree with everything. Like to a certain extent, okay, you can listen to her, but भाई जोरू का गुलाम किसको नहीं बनना है?
उनको बहुत सारे लेवल्स पर डिफरेंट जगह पर फेस करना पड़ता है, तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा उनको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट होता है और वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा उसको सीरियसली भी ले लेते हैं.
You just take it lightly as a joke or something. Men also take it as a joke, so it's okay.
Women should take it a bit easy, and we are giving them that space.
Based on the whole social media activity and stuff like that, you actually find women are pretty cool and they've learned to ignore it and take it in stride.
Do you think that sometimes women are also sexist?
Yes, at times. Yes, very much.
How?
Oh my god, look at that guy. Dude, guys are so good. They don't charm. Oh my god, guys are so lucky. They can go wherever they want without their t-shirts. Like, okay, everyone has their own pros and cons, but it's fine.
Where do you go without a t-shirt?
No, just a point.
पे 4 दोस्तों में बैठो, एक लड़की बैठे होगी, चारों को पर्दे ही पूरा.
It is scientifically even proven that women have more, you can say, attraction towards sex as compared to men.
Still not
no.
talking about sex, my
So
friend.
okay, no, you are just
It's gender equality.
okay.
They think that they are very special. We should take care of them. We should open doors for them. We should pay the bills.
It totally depends. You cannot choose like a male or a female to be a sexist.
Do you think that sexism is only directed towards women, or do you think that people are sexist towards men also sometimes?
I was working for McDonald's before. I was an assistant manager. So, I used to work for like 12 hours at a stretch. And my colleague, she was at the same level. And she used to leave early home. She's like, okay, la, my shift is done. That was very annoying and,
They say men are incompetent, they can't take care of themselves, they can't cook, they can't take care of the rooms. Most of the men are quite sophisticated and they do cook, they do take care of themselves, sometimes better than women.
If I say today's society is dominated by patriarchy at the top level, in terms of corporates, they will say he's a male chauvinist. He supports, sexism.
Men are also discriminated against.
Yeah, they are.
A lot.
You seem like a victim. Tell us.
No. If there's a fight between a girl and a guy, the girl can do whatever she wants, but then we just have to stay there. That's not right. If you say anything bad to her or bad, they take you to police station or whatever.
So that's not right. Everyone should be given equal rights.
Dwayne, has that happened to you?
Yeah.
Men get blamed. I think they are to be blamed equally. Like, you know, not all of them are pretty understanding, and the sexist thing on their part is there.
And finally, if you guys could give one message to all the sexist men and women, the innocent men and women watching this video, what would you tell them?
Girls, don't take it too seriously. Sexism is not, male bashing. So it's equality.
People should not be partial towards women, more partial than they are towards men.
कभी भेदभाव ना करो और हमेशा मेहनत करो.
Guys, your life is much beyond all these things, and instead rather focus your energy and your life into something more productive.
Everybody can do everything. It's upon them and their willpower.
Adam and Eve were created, so both were created to be equals. If there was sexism, I guess Adam would have been given certain advantages or Eve would have been given certain advantages. Just like, let's forget the whole sexism issue and just learn to chill.
So this time around, we turned the tables and spoke to the men of Mumbai about sexism, their ideas on it, and whether they think they're sexist. But at the end of the day, do men even know what sexism means? Tell us your stories by commenting down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to Straight Up. Do you think women are complicated, or is it easy for you to understand them?
Not when they're PMSing.
Sometimes they are complicated, and if we try to understand them, it becomes more complicated.
Are you single?
Yes, we are. Yes, I am. No.
Yeah.
I'm not. Are you single?
I am married.
If given chance, I'll be single again.
Oh, he's the boyfriend.